Hello everyone, this is Nikita and you are watching Crop Deco. So today we are going to discuss about a project which is gonna come in Sector 49 of Gurgaon. It's gonna be a luxurious and a premium project to be here. And this project is brought to you by Godrej Properties. As you know, Godrej has a renowned name in the real estate market. तो वो हमारे लिए लेके आए हैं ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट जिसमें इन द मिडल ऑफ द chaotic life of city you can have your peaceful time, you can have the time with nature, and you can peacefully spend your holidays and your weekends without leaving the city. The name of the project is Godrej Aristocrat. And as I said, you will find a serene environment around you. So, the project is based on forest style theme. The theme of the project is luxury forest style living. This is the only skyscraper around the area you'll get. So, it's a luxury and the premium project in between the city that you are getting. And to know more about this project, stay with us till the end of the video and we will disclose many great details about this project, the location, the amenities and the connectivities of this project. अगर लोकेशन की बात करें तो दिस प्रोजेक्ट बैंग ऑन सोना रोड एंड गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द कनेक्टिविटी ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. तो यहाँ से राजीव चौक सिर्फ 5 से 7 मिनट की दूरी पे आपको मिलेगा. IGI एयरपोर्ट यहाँ से आपको सिर्फ 30 से 35 मिनट की दूरी पे मिलेगा. अगर हम बात करें सुभाष चौक की तो वो आपको सिर्फ 2 से 5 मिनट की दूरी पे मिलेगा. साइबर हब, साइबर सिटी जैसी जगहें आपको यहाँ पे सिर्फ 10 मिनट की दूरी पे मिलेगा. तो कनेक्टिविटी इज नॉट एन इशू. कनेक्टिविटी ऑफ दिस प्लेस इज सीमलेस. So let's get into the details of this project. ये प्रोजेक्ट आपको अराउंड 10 acres ऑफ लैंड पार्सल में मिल जाता है जिसमें यू आर गेटिंग 6 stars एंड दैट टू इन ट्विन टावर कॉन्सेप्ट. तो बात करते हैं आपको क्या क्या वेरिएंट मिल रहे हैं अपार्टमेंट्स के. यू आर गेटिंग 2 BHK, यू आर गेटिंग 2 BHK plus S, you are getting 3 BHK plus S, you are getting 4 BHK plus S and 4 BHK plus S plus U, where S stands for servant room and you can change it into study room. So if we talk about the configuration of the apartments, तो 2 BHK आपको 1651 square feet में मिल जाएगा. 2 BHK plus S आपको 2041 स्क्वायर फीट्स में मिल जाता है. 3 BHK plus S आपको 2514 स्क्वायर फीट्स में मिल जाता है. एंड 4 BHK plus S and 4 BHK plus S plus U आपको somewhere it dwells between 3386 to 3416 square feet. Then if we talk about the towers, तो 4 towers आपको 30 फ्लोर्स मिल जाएंगे एंड 5th and 6th stars that is premium towers आपको 31 फ्लोर्स मिलते हैं. The apartment start from 2nd floor in every tower and आपको नीचे lobby area मिल जाता है that is also triple heighted. Along with that आपको as an parking area आपको 2 level parking मिल जाती है, 1 podium parking and the basement parking. 3 BHKs के साथ आपको 2 कवर्ड कार पार्किंग्स मिलती हैं जिसमें आपको EV चार्जिंग स्लॉट्स भी मिल जाते हैं. Moving on to the amenities of this project, you are getting world class amenities in here. So you are getting a clubhouse with an area of 63,000 square feet. In the clubhouse you are getting gymnasium, swimming pool and spa, salon, library rooms and what not. What you can think of, we have it here. So we are providing you with the best facilities you can ever get in here. So let's talk about the payment plan. So you just have to pay the booking amount and 1% every month. The offer is valid till January 2002. So let's know why you should buy in this project. So in the middle of this chaotic city, which is always moving, so they are providing you a serene environment because they are providing you with a lush green forest, and that too dense. For more real estate updates, stay tuned with our channel and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.